Hello and welcome to this video on lucid dreams. In this video, we'll explore the exciting world of lucid dreaming and learn how to harness the power of our dreams to achieve greater awareness, creativity, and personal growth. A little on the background of lucid dreams. Lucid dreaming is a state in which a person is aware that they are dreaming, while they are dreaming. This type of dream can be incredibly vivid and allow the dreamer to explore their subconscious mind and control their dream experiences. What are the benefits of lucid dreaming? Lucid dreaming has been shown to have numerous benefits, including reducing nightmares, improving problem-solving skills, and enhancing creativity. Additionally, lucid dreaming can provide a powerful tool for personal growth and self-discovery. What are the available techniques for inducing lucid dreams? There are several techniques for inducing lucid dreams, including the wild method, or wake-initiated lucid dream, the mild method, or mnemonic induction of lucid dreams, and the WBTB method, or wake back to bed technique. Each of these techniques involves a slightly different approach to inducing a lucid dream, and the best method for you will depend on your individual sleep patterns and preferences. Let's talk about the science behind lucid dreams. There have been numerous studies on the subject of lucid dreaming, and the results have been fascinating. For example, a study conducted by psychologist Keith Hearn in the 1970s found that lucid dreaming was a real phenomenon, and could be used as a tool for personal growth and self-discovery. Another study, conducted by psychologist Stephen LaBerge in the 1980s, found that lucid dreamers were able to perform specific tasks while dreaming, such as counting, that were not possible in ordinary dreams. Let me give you some tips for successful lucid dreaming. To increase your chances of experiencing a lucid dream, it's important to keep a dream journal, maintain a regular sleep schedule, and practice reality testing throughout the day. Additionally, engaging in creative activities, such as writing or drawing, can help to strengthen the connection between the conscious and unconscious mind. So what is the mild technique? Another popular technique is the mild method, or mnemonic induction of lucid dreams, which involves repeating a mantra, such as "I will remember to realize I'm dreaming," before falling asleep. This repetition helps to train the mind to become aware of the dream state. A little on the WBTB technique. The WBTB method, or wake back to bed technique, involves waking up during the night, staying awake for a period of time, and then returning to sleep. This technique has been shown to increase the likelihood of experiencing a lucid dream. In conclusion, lucid dreaming is a powerful tool for exploring the unconscious mind and unlocking the secrets of the dream world. With the right techniques and a little bit of practice, anyone can learn to experience lucid dreams and take control of their dreams. Thank you for watching this video on lucid dreams. If you're interested in learning more about lucid dreaming, subscribe and activate the notifications to have the ultimate upgrade in your dreaming life.